Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Art Raving Dad. My name's Lucas and this is Phoenix. And today on the show, what are we going to draw?
Kung Fu Panda.
Kung Fu Panda. Hiya! All right, let's get ready. Let's do it.
Yeah.
First thing we want to do at the middle of the page here is do like a bit of a scone circle. So we want to start here and go as big as you want. Sort of like this. It's kind of like a potato or an oval. If you like playing football, soccer. The second step is we want to do Kung Fu Panda's ears. So we're going to do like sort of half-shaped stones on the top, so like that. It's kind of like an upside down U. And another one on the other side, like so. Very good, Phoenix, I like it. Now, what we want to do, we want to color these in black. So take your time, don't rush. So this video is going out to my niece and Phoenix's cousin, Zen, because she likes watching
Mario.
Kung Fu Panda, not Mario.
Sometimes Mario.
She knows about Mario. I don't think she watches Mario that much. She loves Kung Fu Panda. She's watched all the movies and all the TV shows. I think she may have even read the books.
And we might go to Tasmania and Mexico soon.
Maybe Mexico. We're going to do Art Raving Dad in Mexico.
Wow.
Draw taco huts.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the next step is we want to do Kung Fu Panda's eyes. Now, pandas, they have really big black eyes. They look like they've got lots of eyeshadow on, but then they have white in the middle. So what we'll do over here, we're going to do one eye over here and then one eye over here. But these eyes are going to be kind of like overly oblong shape. So just follow me when we do it. All right, here we go. So we're going to do a shape around this way, one like that. So you want to do like an oval on an angle, I guess you could say. Very good, Phoenix. And the next one you want to do on the other side, exact same thing, around like so. Beautiful. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, like that. All right, so now what we want to do, we want to go inside those and make another circle here. So sort of in the corner of each eye, one there. Beautiful. And another one over here. Cool. All right, so next thing what we want to do is you want to just do a curve in that eye like that. One curve like that. And on the other side, the exact same thing, another curve like that. Now what we do is we're just going to color this part in here black. So kind of like where the eyeshadow of the Kung Fu Panda's eyes are.
We're in the campsite now.
We're in a campsite, that's right. We're in a caravan traveling around Australia.
Yeah.
This is our caravan. We're filming this from our caravan travels. How cool is that?
Yeah. And we're near Mount Isa and near
Cloncurry and Mount Isa, that's right. Ooh, I like that, Phoenix. Very good. What we want to do now is Kung Fu Panda's nose. So it's kind of like a U here. So we'll just do like a U there, or kind of like a V. And then on the top of that, we want to do like another little U. And this kind of looks like a mouth at the moment, but it's not. We're gonna color that in, so it's the nose. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do a smiley face for the Kung Fu Panda. But if you want to do an excited face or like a shocked face, you can go do that. But I'm going to do a smiley face. Ready? So we're going to just do a line around like that. Ooh, he's like.
Look at my one.
Ooh, I like it.
Like, ooh.
Very cool. Now with Kung Fu Panda's arms, we're going to go on a bit of a car journey here. So follow me. So what we're going to do, we're going to go down a hill. And then we're going to go around a corner. We're going to go up, around on a straight, around, and like so. Okay, good job, Phoenix. Up, round, so you're almost going on a car journey. Down, up, around, and coming back into the eye. Ooh. Good work, Phoenix.
Looks like Among Us. If you watch our next video that was Among Us, that was a good one.
That was a good one, yeah, that was right. Now, what we want to do, we just want to use a lot of black ink to colour this in, okay?
Yeah. And our dog Smiley's outside playing with his boxing glove.
That's right.
Okay.
Rolling around the grass, loving it.
Yeah, loving the life.
Loving the life, loving life.
Yeah. If you have a pet puppy, well, it will be definitely crazy. But our dog's a little bit trained. Well,
A little bit trained, do you think?
Not
Not
really.
too bad.
Not too bad.
A little bit trained.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the hands of Kung Fu Panda. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to do sort of like the feet of Kung Fu Panda.
Oh.
So what we'll do here, we'll come into the middle of this arm and we'll come in like a kind of a half U, like a hook, like a backward J. You want to try and get it in line with this nose. Yep. And then we'll come on the other side again and we'll do a proper J into that arm. See? Cool. Ooh, very good. Now we're going to do Kung Fu Panda's belt. So we're going to do sort of like a slight line that's curved like that. One. And then underneath it, you might need to go on top, Phoenix, but it doesn't matter. And we'll go another line that's parallel to it like that. So we've got the belt. And in the belt, he has some lines. So the pattern, the textures. You can put however many lines you want to put on here, on this belt.
Is
Awesome.
he going to eat a sushi?
Well, yeah, sushi from Japan. He might eat sushi. Might eat some bamboo as well, maybe. Yeah. And so on Kung Fu Panda's legs, we've got a couple of bands. So you want to do one line, two lines on both sides. And then what you want to do underneath both those lines is you just want to keep 1, 2, just to make them a little bit thicker and bold. Just to give them a bit of a thickness. Good work, Phoenix. Looking good. I like it. What could you add to this Kung Fu Panda? We can either add bamboo or we can add a sushi roll.
Both.
You want to add both? Okay. Do you want him holding the bamboo stick?
Maybe just put it to the side like it's in the ground, like he's about to pick it out.
It's about to pick it out. Okay, that's a good idea. So let's draw a bamboo stick. So what you're going to do, we'll just do one line up like that. And another line parallel next to it, like so. Good work. And then you want to do sort of on an angle like that. And then if it's in the ground, we can do some dirt or some bush. Yep. And then with bamboo, we can do something cool here. We can do one line like just little lines up the top like that. So to just give it the look of being bamboo. Oh, that's good. I like that, Phoenix. That's very good. That's very creative and clever. He's going to have a nice time eating that bamboo, isn't he? So with bamboos, to just sort of finish off the effect, we can do 2 leaves at the top. So we can do one curve like that, coming in. It's kind of like a little bit of water coming out of the spout. And then we connect it in like that. Another one. And we can do the same thing down here. One in there. Yep. And then one around to connect it in. And if you're feeling fancy, you can draw a line sort of to complete the illusion of making the leaves. Now, we want to do some sushi rolls down on the bottom here. So we do a circle like that. And then you want to do a line like that on one side, that side on the right. And then you want to curve it off at the bottom. And then what you can do is you can color this in black here. Yep. And then in the middle, you can just do like a squiggly thing like this, like that for sushi, some dots. Oh, cool, Phoenix. And then if you want, you can do a sushi on the side. So a circle like that. Yep. And then watch this. If you come around here and you go around like that and then color that in, you've got sushi on the side and you can do the exact same thing, put some dots on there. How cool is that? Pretty cool. So there we go, guys. What did we just draw?
A Kung Fu Panda.
We just drew a Kung Fu Panda, a mini cool looking Kung Fu Panda, but with a bamboo shoot stick coming out of the ground. And we did a couple of sushis on the side, but you can draw whatever you want in this. You know, if you want to draw a hamburger or some fries and chips and a milkshake, go for it.
Ooh, yeah. Yummy.
All right, so Phoenix, what's the next step?
Color in.
Color in. Okay guys, there we did it. We did it, Phoenix. What do? We coloured in.
Yeah.
And what did you do with your Kung Fu Panda?
I put some red pepper there.
Red pepper for the sushi. Yeah.
And the colour in the bamboo.
Mm-hmm.
The little tongue there.
Put a little tongue like I did. I put a little tongue.
Yeah. I did some of this green stuff there.
Green on the feet.
Belt.
Belt.
And a bamboo stick.
And a bamboo stick, that's his fighting stick. That's cool. I did the same sort of thing, but I did some bandages at the bottom as well and coloured in a little bit different there. Sort of the green and the gold. Okay, Phoenix, so what can the folks at home do?
Pause the video and subscribe.
That's right. Anytime you want to pause the video so you can catch up and see what we're doing, and you can also subscribe to our channel to keep up with all the cool videos that we're doing. We're traveling at the moment, so we're going to try and get as many videos out for you as we can, because it's going to be a lot of fun on our travels, and we're going to try and make it themed to our travels as well. Obviously, we're not in Japan. We're not anywhere near pandas, but maybe in the next one we might be, I don't know, near some koalas on surfboards. Who knows? Anyway, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today we just had fun making art. I hope you do too. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, let's get to it. Hang on, wait. All right, let's get ready. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Hang on, look at it. All right, let's get ready. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh.